Hi, today I will show what is the inside of the 12 volt DC motor. Now start. In the DC motor, at first I use a hammer to open the motor coil and other things. Then it was the brush, carbon and magnet brush, and I open the brush using a plus. Then you would say, and you can see it is a coil. It is the very big coil and very nicely, and then there are two magnet size is very big. You can see I open the magnet, so some wet, then I open the magnet. The magnet size is very big. Then it was not any things on the ear. I using bleaching powder and to clear the chunk. Then you can see I brush the magnet. I clean these parts. And then sometimes later I clean Now I will assemble the motor. Then you can see here. Then I completed. Then I push the coil. Now at the last time I fit the carbon magnet brush. Then last I covered in the motor. Last item. Then I test the motor. Then thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel.